Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Compass Sport. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in granite. It looks great. I really like the granite. It's kind of metallic-y, but also kind of dark, which is really nice as well. It does come with halogen-style headlamps right there, as well as the projector-style fog lights right down there. You do got the Jeep logo and a little bit of chrome accenting on the grille over here. And then we also have 17-inch rims with Komu brand tires, and they look great. There's still a lot of tread left on those guys right there, and yeah, they look awesome. Coming around the side here, you do got your mirrors right there. You got the Jeep Compass logo right over there. And then coming around the back here, you do have another Jeep logo, the 4x4 logo, and the North Edition logo right there. And then you can open it up. You do got your backup camera under there. Open her up. You do have quite a bit of storage room back here as well, for whatever you might need to be hauling around. It is quite soft, so it won't be scratching anything up. The seats do fold forward, so you can add a little bit more room. And under here is your spare tire if you did need it. You got a little bit of storage right there as well. Okay, let's start her up here. So we got our keys. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and then you got 2 presses of this guy to activate your remote start. Remote start is super nice, especially in the winter. It'll get it started up and nice and warm for you. You don't have to go out in your pajamas or anything. Now on the door here we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here, as well as a bit of storage here and a bit more down here. And then you do have right over here, you have the controls over your high beams and low beams, as well as your turning signal, all from right here. Around the back of the steering wheel you do have control over your audio from this guy, and then on the other side there's one that's exactly the same for your channel. Okay, we're inside now, so let's start her up. We got our keys in the ignition. There we go. And we are good to go. Now in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as you have your fuel gauge and your oil temperature. You can change that guy in the middle. You can do your average miles per gallon. You have your miles to empty. You can change it to kilometers as well. You have your tire pressure, your timer, your oil life, your units. Oh yeah, we could have changed that. System okay, personal settings, and then all back here it does tell you the temperature outside and which way we're facing and what channel we're on. That is all controlled from your steering wheel right here. As well, you do have your voice recognition, your call out button, horn in the center, and you do have your cruise control options on the other side. That guy does control your windshield wipers, of course, and then you do have a 6.5-inch touchscreen display here, and you have your voice recognition here, your call out button for your phone if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth. You also have your radio options, so you have your AM and FM and your Sirius XM and your satellite. So then it does come with a year Sirius XM. You do purchase a vehicle. You also have a media tab if you have one hooked up through a disc or an aux cord, or you also have your hard disk drive on here, and it does come with 40 gigabytes on your hard disk drive, as well as it does have 28 gigabytes available, and you can put music directly onto here. You got your volume up and down, as well as you can turn it off. You got your load, which it opens it up for you, and your CD player is just back there. Super cool. Oh, there's a CD in there. Plus, you do have your menu over here to change some things. You got your audio, change where it is. You got your files, and then you also have a USB plug-in in here and your aux cord right there. Down here in the climate control, you do have the power up and down. You have your circulation, your heat, your AC, then you have where it's going to blow out of. Plus, you have your heated seats for you and your passenger. You have your traction control and your hazard lights, a little bit of storage here, and then this guy is your gear shift. If you shift into reverse, you do have your backup camera, which is super nice, helps you drive and all that fun stuff. You got 2 cup holders here and your parking brake, and then your armrest here does double as a storage container, one up top, one underneath, and then you do have a little charger right there, a little plug-in, kind of hidden, which is nice, doesn't get in the way. You have your glove box here with your owner's manual inside of it. And then you also do have a universal garage door opener right here, so you can sync that up to your garage door opener, and then you don't have to have an extra one in here. Let's jump on in the back here, open this guy up. You do have control of their own windows on the door, a little bit of chrome accenting here, a little bit of storage here, a little bit more down here. And it is the leather as well, which is very nice, very soft and squishy. Makes it for a very nice and comfortable ride. You got some cup holders right down there. And then if you do pull this little strap here, it does fold the seats forward, like I said earlier. You can do the exact same on the other side, and it gives you a bit more room back there. And yeah, it just gives you lots. And under the hood here, we do have our 2.4 i4 engine, and it looks great in there. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Jeep Compass Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.